channel. I'm in my restroom right now, and this is like the only place I have good lighting at. But anyways, I know I have not been active on YouTube. I've been busy. I've been so busy with school, like y'all have no idea. Like, I've been stressed out. My internship is like full-time. I'm really trying to stay focused and finish strong. At the end of the day, I'm trying to walk on that stage and get my diploma. So right now I decided to talk about ways to earn money while you are in quarantine. So the first app that I highly suggest for anyone, literally anyone, is Ibotta. So Ibotta is a grocery, well, not just grocery store, but you can use it in retail, you can use it in grocery stores, you can use it like online for online shopping. So usually I'm a HEB shopper. I love HEB versus Walmart because HEB is a little bit cheaper than Walmart, right? So on Ibotta, what you do is you make your own grocery list, right? And you select items that you want based on your own preference, of course. And you go to HEB and you look for the items that you selected. You have to make sure that the items that you are looking for are exactly as they are on the app. So that includes like the size and everything, like the size of the packaging, what brand it is, what kind it is, what variety it is. You have to keep that in mind, because if you don't, you're not gonna get money. So after you have selected all of your items, you pay, right? And then after you pay, you take a picture of your receipt, and the Ibotta app is gonna show the offers that you purchased. You may have to scan each food item, or you might have to take a picture of the receipt itself. It honestly depends from person to person. And then like it would tell me my total earnings for that receipt, and then it would transfer my earnings to like my balance account. Even though for one item you might get like $1.50 back or like 75 cents back, even though that might be a little bit, if you think about it, if you buy like a big load of groceries whenever you go, like those amounts will be adding up. Typically I usually go to grocery shopping like 2 to 3 times a month, and it's very helpful because I'm earning like a lot. I think in 1 month I earn like $25, which is not bad. I feel like extra money is extra money. You keep doing the same thing, honestly. Like before you go to the grocery store, do your list, go get the items, buy them, take a picture of your receipt, and then that's it. I don't like to withdraw my money right away. Usually I just stack up my money on the app. I have like $40-50 like sitting on my app right now. Okay, the next app I want to talk about is Poshmark. So Poshmark is a fashion-based app where you get to sell your unwanted items. So anything that is in your closet, you can sell. Clothes, shoes, pants, accessories, hats, umbrellas, slippers, whatever you don't want, you can honestly sell that. You don't have to give it a Goodwill unless you want to make a donation. But if you want to make money off of your own stuff, you can go ahead and do that. All you have to do to sell items in that app is like share pictures of your item, put in the information, and then you get to set your own price. And then after that, let's say if someone bought your item, you will get an email with the shipping label of the item. Pack your item in a box, tape the shipping label on top of it, and go to your nearest postal office and send it off. It's really that easy. It's honestly convenient considering that the sellers ourselves, we don't have to pay for shipping. The buyer has to pay like $6 of shipping, I think. You get a chance to like interact with people too, and on the app you get a chance to make discounts. You also get a chance to participate in parties and share your items too. It's really, really cool. So I highly suggest it. Check it out. Another app I want to talk about is Macari. So Macari is similar to Poshmark. However, you get to sell anything. Literally anything except weapons, food.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Weapons, drugs, alcohol, animals, except none of that. You can sell clothes, shoes, electronics, games, you can game consoles, jewelry, kitchenware, like furniture or picture frames, like anything that you want to get rid of in your household, you can sell it. Macari is a little bit simpler than Poshmark, considering that it's easier to navigate in my opinion. Very simple layout, and it's pretty much the same process. You put in the information of the item, you price it, you share it. But Macari, however, gives you the option of either giving free shipping to the buyer, or you can pay shipping yourself for them. And also Macari has a lesser company fee. They actually deduct 5% of your earnings, which is not much. So if you think about it, you're gonna be earning more on Macari than you would on Poshmark. Macari, what I like better is that it has its own like inbox messenger section where you get to interact with the buyer like one-on-one, which is so cool. And it tells you on there how many people saw your item, which is really, really cool that Poshmark doesn't have. But yeah, that's all the apps that I have. Get rid of some stuff and sell some stuff. Make money while you're in quarantine, okay? Because I know some of you are not working. I'm pretty sure that post offices are open. My mom went recently, like a couple of days ago, and it was open, so I'm pretty sure they're still running. Just be careful, wear your mask, wear gloves, you know, maintain distance from one another. After you come from a grocery store, make sure you put hand sanitizer on. Do what you gotta do. Stay safe, stay healthy. Feel free to let me know what you think in the comments of these apps. I hope they're useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.